The next type of fencing we're going to talk about is called, we call it decorative aluminum. And here's a section here. This is also a gate from an aluminum fence. A lot of people will refer to this as wrought iron. It looks like wrought iron fence, but it's actually made of aluminum. Again, this can come in many styles and a few different heights. Most common ones would be 48 inches tall and like 55 inches tall. And we see this a lot around pools. It works really well as a pool fence. You can see through it, you can see what's going on, like if you've got kids playing in the backyard. Couple things to think about though, or to make sure that you're checking into if you're gonna put an aluminum fence around your pool enclosure. Certain heights can only have certain combinations of support bars. So this one is from a 55-inch tall pool fence. So this is pool compliant or pool code compliant. But if we had a 48-inch version and it had 3 bars, that would not be compliant because someone could put their foot in there, use the supports on the shorter fence as a boost and hop over the fence. And pool code is trying to avoid kids coming from the neighbor's house, jumping the fence and getting into your pool and drowning or having some sort of accident. So you definitely want to make sure that you're installing a pool code compliant fence if you're closing in a pool enclosure. But these fences look great. We install them in a lot of neighborhoods, and especially if you don't mind spending a little bit extra beyond what like chain link or wood might cost. It really does look sharp. There's very minimal maintenance, very easy to trim underneath. So if you mow the grass up to the fence, you can trim along the bottom very easily, and they hold up for a long time.